Metal on EBEONADI103.5 FM. From Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. on the morning drive.
King James.
Mama Nkosebru Agwaptal Maria. Ekene Maria Jitel na Grace Osebru Anonyeli. Eden God's next tip or onine. Others in God's one forgive Jesu.
Maria Jason and Kechuku. Reverend Ninja, Kita Namano, Amen.
Naju Odibowani Nkosebru wa.
Kore Kisiku.
Ekene Maria Egyptel na Grace Osebru Anonyeli. Eden God's next tip or onine. Others in God's one forgive Jesu.
Maria Jason and Kechuku. Reverend Ninja, Kita Namano, Amen.
Okwe Melaro. Ekene Maria Egyptel na Grace Osebru Anonyeli. Eden God's next tip or onine. Others in God's one forgive Jesu.
Maria Jason and Kechuku. Reverend Ninja, Kita Namano, Amen.
Jabalanya yo onne nke Chukwu jaso. Ayo. Anyị na-arịọ gị o Chukwu, ka irinye Kraịst anyị n'ime obi anyị, ka anyị bụ ndị nje butere ozi ọma, wee mara iwelarụ Kristi nwa gị, site n'afọ ya na obe ya, wee bata n'otito na mbilite n'ọnwụ ya, site na Kristi dị nwere anyị. Amen. Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Ka mkpụrụ obi ndị niile kwerenụ gara aga. Ka mkpụrụ obi fa zuru ike na ndokwa.
Amen.
Onye nwe anyị nọnyere ụnụ. Ka Chineke dị ike niile gọzie ụnụ, Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Amen.
Good morning and welcome to EBEONADI103.5 FM News Update. Today, Thursday, the 14th day of November 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Efanshuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines. Free education. Anambra Assembly frowns at high cost of textbooks, uniforms. Ebonyi Assembly bans illegal motor parks. Enugu 042 MBC Trade Fair records of 500 million naira in transactions volume. How Anambra government transferred dollars to my account. BDC operator testifies in ex-Governor Obiano's trial. Benin Republic's Kenneth Raw unsure of victory ahead of Nigerian clash. Joe Biden meets Donald Trump at White House. Both pledge smooth transition. Now, details. Free education. Anambra Assembly frowns at high cost of textbooks, uniforms. Despite the free education policy in Anambra State, members of Anambra State House of Assembly believe that the cost of textbooks and uniforms are beyond the reach of the poor. The Assembly, in its sitting on Tuesday, called on the Governor, Professor Chukwuma Soludo, to direct the Commissioner for Education to engage the public, private, and mission schools in addressing the exorbitant cost of textbooks and school uniforms. In a motion sponsored by the majority leader and the member representing Ekusigo constituency, Honorable Ikenna Ofodeme and 18 others during plenary in Oka. The House said the motion became necessary since education is a fundamental right, hence the need for every child to get equitable access to learning materials. Honorable Ofodeme, who moved the motion, regretted the current practices in Anambra State primary and secondary schools of using textbooks as workbooks, where answers are written in the books, making the books non-transferable. Speaker of House, Right Honorable Somtochukwu Udeze, appreciated the sponsor of the motion. Ebonyi Assembly bans illegal motor parks. Ebonyi State House of Assembly has given a 24-hour ultimatum to all illegal motor park operators in Abakaliki to shut down operation or face the full wrath of the law. This was contained in a statement signed by the State Assembly Public Relations Officer Sylvester Egede and made available to newsmen shortly after the Ebonyi State House of Assembly Committee on Works and Transport led by Deacon Joseph Onunu met with managers of various motor parks in the state on Tuesday. He explained that the illegal motor parks expand from Banco, Fresco down to Onuebonyi Junction in Abakaliki, the state capital. The state lawmakers, however, directed all mass transit operators in the state to submit evidence of payment of internally generated revenue to the committee clerk before the closing of work on Friday, 15th November. The committee chairman also directed the vehicle operators to stop operating on pick and drop basis and go back to the motor parks that were graciously provided by the Ebonyi State government. Enugu 042 MBC Trade Fair records 500 million naira in transactions volume. The CEO of Enugu SME Agency and Special Advisor to the Governor on MSMEs and Digital Economy, Arinze Chiloofia, has stated that the recently concluded Enugu 042 MBC Trade Fair recorded transaction volume in excess of 500 million naira. He said the fair, which was organized by the Enugu SME Agency and Niger Brand Chic MBC at Opera Square, Enugu also attracted over 120 vendors, mainly from the fashion, food, electronics, and across various other sectors, a development that reflects Enugu State's increasing economic vibrancy and growth into a commercial hub. Briefing newsman Shilo Ofia said the fair, which held on 2nd and 3rd November, attracted over 120 vendors from various sectors, including fashion, food, electronics, and more. More than 30,000 shoppers from within and outside Enugu attended, showcasing the state's ability to draw significant foot traffic. This large turnout demonstrated Enugu's appeal as a destination for trade and commerce, with the added assurance of security, allowing businesses to flourish without concern. This collaboration between the Enugu SME Agency and Niger Brand Chic, founded by Mrs. Nelly Abog, reflects the Enugu State government's active role in supporting small businesses and fostering local economic growth under the leadership of Governor Peter Mba. The state continues to emphasize its commitment to empowering MSMEs as cornerstone of its development strategy. How Anambra government transferred dollars to my account. BDC operator testifies in ex-Governor Obiano's trial. A broad exchange operator, Ayuba Tanko, says between April and December 2017, a total sum of 416 million naira was paid into a company account he used by proxy. When former Governor Willie Obiano was in charge of Anambra State, Ayuba told Justice Inyang Ekwo of a federal high court in Abuja on Wednesday while being led in evidence by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission's counsel, Silvanus Tahi San Ayuba, who was the fifth prosecution witness. PW5 said the 416 million naira, which was received in tranches, was given back as 1.137 million US dollars equivalent. He said he was invited by the EFCC through its investigation department in 2023 and was questioned about Ziga Trading and the company's limited account domiciled in one of the commercial banks. When the senior lawyers asked him how much he received at the period, the witness said between April 2017 and December 2017, the total money I received at that period was 416 million naira in naira, and I gave a dollar equivalent as dollars, he said. After the four witnesses testified and were cross-examined by Ibazo, Justice Epo adjourned the matter until February 24, 25th, and 26, 2025 for continuation of trial. Benin Republic's Kenneth Raw unsure of victory ahead of Nigeria clash. Benin Republic's head coach Kenneth Raw has admitted it will be very hard to defeat the Super Eagles of Nigeria when both sides meet tomorrow because Augustine Iguavone's side will be at full strength. The Cheetahs secured a 2-1 win against the Super Eagles of Nigeria back in June in a World Cup qualifying game, which was Finidi George's second and final official match in charge of the three-time AFCON champions. Nigeria and Benin Republic were drawn into the same AFCON 2025 group, and the Super Eagles came out victorious when both sides last met in September, courtesy of a brace from Ademola Lookman before Victor Osimhen came off the bench to score the game's third goal as Iguavone's side sealed a 3-0 win at the Godswill Akpabio International Stadium in Uyo, Nigeria. Benin Republic will host Nigeria at the Stade Felix Houphouët-Boigny in Abidjan, Cote d'Ivoire, tomorrow. Seeking ahead of the game, Raw revealed it will be a huge task for his team to seal a win against Nigeria because the Super Eagles are currently at full strength. Kick-off time for the game between Nigeria and Benin Republic is slated for 8 o'clock p.m. What? You are listening to News Update on Ebona at the 103.5 FM. Now we move over to the foreign scene. Joe Biden meets Donald Trump at White House. Both pledge smooth transition. U.S. President-elect Donald Trump on Wednesday met President Joe Biden in the Oval Office of White House to ensure a smooth transition of power, a hallmark of American democracy which took a break 4 years ago. In the meeting, two leaders assured the nation of a peaceful transition of power on January 20th next year. Biden said, "Welcome back to Trump," and the two leaders shook hands. He congratulated Trump on his victory and said he looked forward to a smooth transition. "Well, Mr. President-elect Donald Trump, congratulations, and I look forward to having a smooth transmission. Welcome," Biden said. Politics is tough and is, in many cases, not a very nice word, but it is a nice word today, and I appreciate it very much. The transition is so more smooth, and it will be as smooth as it can get, Trump said in his remarks. The First Lady joined President Biden in greeting President-elect Trump upon his arrival at the White House. She gave Trump a handwritten letter of congratulations for Mrs. Trump, which expressed her team's readiness to assist with the transition. This is where we draw the curtain on News Update on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at headlines. Free education. Anambra Assembly frowns at high cost of textbooks, uniforms. Ebonyi Assembly bans illegal motor parks. Enugu 042 MBC Trade Fair records 500 million naira in transactions of volume. How Anambra government transferred dollars to my account. BDC operator testifies in ex-Governor Obiano's trial. Benin Republic's Kenneth Raw unsure of victory ahead of Nigeria clash. Joe Biden meets Donald Trump at White House. Both pledge smooth transition. You just listened to News Update on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Efanshuku Ekezie. Thank you for listening. Good morning.
Listen to News Updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM immediately after Angel 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News Updates, live reports. Ebona the FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/ Gist FM. The challenges of documenting memories in the 21st century is gone. When you have Ebona, the 103.5 FM, here, what are you celebrating today? Birthdays, wedding anniversary, traditional wedding, chieftaincy conferment, or fala, etc. Approach Ebona, the 103.5 FM. Ogidi today to document your event. Ebona, the 103.5 FM offers you live coverage of your events on radio and social media, video and photo coverages, feature on magazines, photo books, and others, news coverage of political and other events. Take this offer and receive a complete coverage. For more information, call or WhatsApp 08065796599, or you visit Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi opposite Ogunike Boys inside the Ovin Residency Hotel Ogidi.
Ogidi Kwenu, Ndogidi Kwenu. Adogidi Beauty Show is here again. Adogidi 2024. Now, una makwai for na keep as one. Ija wele. Are you up to 18 and above? Register now and win up to 1 million naira. Ebonwa Muluno Gidi Land or Wadiana. Come and represent your heritage where beauty, brain, and culture blends, empowering the women, enhancing excellence, beauty with a purpose, supporting education, and securing a future. For forms and inquiries, please call or WhatsApp 080-6329-0766 or 090-13566-263. Social media platforms at Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook at Adogidi Beauty Pageant. Forms are available at all residency hotels nationwide. And the deadline for the registration is on the 10th of December 2024. Adogidi Beauty Pageant Show. Don't miss out. Arise. Kunye.
Vacancy. Are you a DJ? Do you speak English and Igbo language fluently? Submit your CV and the letter of application at Ebona, the 103.5 FM Ogidi, opposite Ogunike Boys, inside Residency Hotel Biofin Ogidi, on or before Friday, 15th of November 2024.
Residency Hotels Leofin Ogidi. Ogidi's #1 place for all type of events. Burunia Adewa from corporate to social gathering or any type of parties, even end of year parties on the club. We have air-conditioned hall and outdoor space of a very good capacity. When Neviano come, let us celebrate your event in style. Residency Hotel Leofin Ogidi. If you are somebody with a zibote taste, when Emmanuel back in EDTR, I want delicious meals, drinks, and spirits brewed in different parts of the world. For booking, call 081-45-67-8901. One more. Come, let's make your event come through the way it's dream or your plan of why. Residency Hotels Leofino Gidi's best place for premium events. Ask for an amagoroge, Mwakazian Behagi.
Oge ndị ime ahịa bụ nnekwu ohere ewepụtara maka ịkwalite ebe ife mmetụ aka gị ma ụlọ azụmahịa gị. Mara na ihe dị mma n'anya bụ nwanne. Kedu uru oge ndị ime ahịa ga-abara gị?
Uru oge ndị ime ahịa ga-abara gị bụ site n'oge ndị ime ahịa ị ga-enweta nnukwu ohere akpọrọ diskaụnt n'ọnụ bekee maka ịkwalite ebe azụmahịa ha gị. Mara na ya bụ ohere ga-amalite mgbe ọbụla ebe ọ na-adị wuchiri kpọmkwem n'ime ahịa.
Keduzi ihe na-eche? Gbapụ ya ọsọ kpọtụrụ ndị 103.5 FM n'akara ekwentị ndị a na 080-657-96599, ọzọkwakwa na 080-657-96599. Oge ndị ime ahịa, oge nnekwu ohere.
I know sometimes it be like say, nobody seems to get my life. I get money, my friend.
Nwanne nke dịka mere ama na rute ama na ụfọdụ oge ọ na-adị gị ka echezọrọ gị na m echefuola gị mba nọ nke afọ asị onye ka m ji zitere gị akwụkwọ ozi ekene anụnwa site n'aka ndị 103.5 FM. Oge ozi ekene bụ oge nnekwu ohere ejirịta ọra ma welekwa aṅụrị isonye n'usoro tii n'oge ozi ekene kwa ụbọchị Sọnde ọbụla ngwa ngwa ọkụ elekere 4 nke mgbede. Ị ga-enwetakwa anya bụ akwụkwọ ozi ekene nke bụ request card n'isi ụlọ ọrụ anyị dị na Lufi Residency Hotel na ncherịta iru Cape City Secondary School ka anyị tụrịta ọra.
EBONADI 103.5 FM. Napapoa Production. Police for vigilante. My business. When I will tell you AJ radio drama, Erico. Akụkọ ihe mere n'ime ogbe. Ejije radio drama Erico ga na-abịara gị every Monday 8 o'clock p.m. with a repeat broadcast on Saturday 3 o'clock p.m. na EBONADI 103.5 FM.
Amara mi re wa di la mo. Ko ba na ga no na na ko na ya ni ko na ya. Nke ka ku ke wala ala ma mu na ya mo le.
Ekwana ka akọlụ gị nke a akọlụ.
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit the subscribe button right here. You rock, that love.